No, you hear it? Stay tuned for another update. Probably in the next day or two we'll have another. We don't have it here because I tried to drive it home and only made it 2 minutes up the road. Good stuff and some other stuff and jam it in. So swap flywheel, fully fingers crossed. We know this is a good running solid engine. But anyways, we're gonna try round 3. We got one more engine. Longer than Conor McGregor lasted, that's for damn sure. Fuck, the engine didn't last that long. Transmission out. Don't know if we're gonna... Alright, we started at 2. It's now... Car just had to take a shit, eh? That's okay. We got another one. Fingers crossed. What is that? Another one. I swear, same fucking cylinder. Always number 2. But we did get the motor out. And look, we did. Oh, just rusted to hell. So stuff did not want to come off. But it was under 2 hours. It helps when it's already all been apart before. That parts car over there, just around 11. And, well, that's a motor out. Another one. Update. Bobby had to go to work. She worked from 11 to 2. I got here